Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to place order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app and make payments with your WeChat wallet. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Wafi Yafu. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or IDP, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Pinduoduo shopping app. I'm going to click on here now to open my Pinduoduo shopping app. After you open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is search for product from different supplier. However, there are so many ways by which you can use to search for product by different supplier. One of the first ways to come to the top right there, type the name of the product you are looking for. Let's say, for instance, I'm going to click on here. Let's say you are looking for bag. Type in bags and hit on search. And in a few seconds, you are going to see similar results as far as the keyword you're looking for is concerned. You can scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products that is going to load up. However, you can also come to the top right here and then click on this camera icon. When you click on the camera icon, upload the product picture sample. That will allow you to see similar products of that particular picture that you upload. So once you are able to search for product, next thing you need to do is add the product to that. I'm going to use a product as an example right here and we'll walk you through step by step on how to place the order with your WeChat wallet. Okay. Right, so I'm going to use this particular product right here and go ahead and place the order. Now, this particular product here, so is just a nika. So you can scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see product details right here, just like what you see right here. So once you are satisfied with everything about the product, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and make payment. And for that, what you want to do is to simply, so the next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and place order for this particular clothes right here. And for that, what we want to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Then right here, I need black color, I need XL, I need 5 pieces. So add the quantity right here. And then finally, click on here. Then it's going to take you to checkout right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you switch to WeChat right here. I'll go ahead and select WeChat. Having selected WeChat, next thing you need to do is to click on here right here to proceed with payment. And the next thing you need to do is to click on pay right here. Then right here, you have to select the WeChat wallet that you want to use for payment. So click on here and then make sure you choose your wallet. The next thing you want to do is to enter your payment password. And payment done successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on back to vendor. Then you can click on here to go back. Click on here to close this pump up. Click on here to go back to your profile. Then by the time you get to your profile, the product you just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. Here we go. You have it right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.